Do you like to get paid in the easiest way possible? And would you like to learn a method that you can get to earn passive and unlimited income by just not doing anything? Well, this is the video for you! In today's video, I will show you not just one, but 4 unique applications that I have recently discovered that I know can help you out a lot in earning a lot of money. And with the applications I will show to you today, you will not be doing any surveys or watching any videos, advertisements, or even any of that sort. Basically, you just have to make sure that you have them installed on your phone, and from then on, you can go about your day while all these applications continue on working in the background and continuing to earn you money. So if you are looking for something like that, then remember to watch this video right until the end, so you can be guided on how to install them and how they all work. But before we dive into the tutorial, welcome to Online Cashflow, where we teach you how to make money online fast and easy. Make sure to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will be always updated whenever I post new content on how to make money online. Please like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions and/or any suggestions. And we're back! In this video, I will also share with you the accumulated reviews for every application, so you can be confident and assured that all of them are legit and that they can actually earn you money. With that said, let us proceed with our first application. So here we are with our first website. So with this application, you can earn by just completing different unique types of any surveys that they offer around here. Then just make sure to keep this application running in the background, which will continue to collect data around your phone. And don't worry, because I assure you, this is 100% legit, and it will not damage or even hack your phone whatsoever. So with this application, you just have to make sure that you have it already installed on your phone. Then after that, you can just let it do its thing. Let it continue to function and work on automatically. Then you can just let it be. And you will already earn passive income immediately. The great thing about this application is that it is available for either Android or iOS. So whatever device you are currently using, you can use this application to your advantage. Now let me show you how people are rating this application and how people are reviewing it. So on the Google Play Store, it actually has a high rating, about 4.2 stars with over 80,000 reviews. So you can assure that this application will get you paid and that it is truly legit. Before we continue the tutorial, just a quick interruption, guys. For us to know each other better, down in the comments below, comment which device are you using from. Are you using an Android or an iOS? Now let's go back. When we go back over to the website, we can see that it says your new home for rewards and sweepstakes. Take surveys, earn points, and redeem prizes all for free. Download rewards today. Then just down below, we have got gift cards from Amazon, Visa, Walmart, and more. Then, sweepstakes with prizes worth up to $5,000. And lastly, refer your friends to get bonus points. So generally, I assure you that you will love this application out. So you should try this out for yourself, as it has great reviews and can be used by either an Android or iOS phone. So to all of you watching right now, you can start installing this application and start earning now. So this website is called Panel App, which can be found at getpanelapp.com. With that said, let me show you our second application for this video, which is basically known as Money SMS and can be found at moneysmsapp.com. This is actually very identical to the first application, but with this, you actually earn by receiving different SMS messages. As you can see right here, it states that Money SMS is a free Android app which allows you to make money online automatically by receiving SMS generated by our system and customers. So as we just read on the description, it is actually an Android application. So for iOS users, this is actually not available for you guys, but don't fret, because you never know, that might actually change. So another way to earn with this application is through their own referral system, in which you can see that they give you 30% of what your referrals earn, which if you ask me, is a huge number. And considering that you can actually earn easy and fast money with this application, a lot of people will tend to stick around and love this website, and in return, love that you also recommended them around here. This will also mean that you can earn continuously along with them just by referring them to this website. So you can just install it right now and start immediately getting paid. With that said, let's proceed to our third application. So the third application is actually called Smore. So for this application, it is actually only available for people in the United States. So it doesn't actually work all around the world, but I still wanted to include it in this video, as this is also such a remarkable application that will help you earn passively and stable income. Let me show you some of its reviews. So on the Google Play Store, they actually have a rating of 4.4 stars with over 50,000 reviews. So this assures all of you watching right now that this application is legit and you can earn by these things mentioned. They will display ads and offers on your lock screen, so whenever you turn on your phone and unlock it, you will see a bunch of ads and they will get you paid for displaying the aforementioned ads. And what's great about this is that it doesn't matter how many times you unlock your phone, because even if you just open your phone just once through the day, you will still get the same amount of points. So basically, you don't actually have to do anything to actually get paid. Additionally, you can also play games around here to get paid. So you can also check the other options around here for yourself. With that said, let us proceed to the last application for this video. Our fourth and last application is actually known as Mobile Expression Panel, which is actually very identical to your first application, wherein it will also collect your phone data and you get paid for it. But you may be asking, what data are they exactly collecting? And you can see that below. Where are people surfing to and what mobile applications are we in? With that, they will be utilizing your participation in the Mobile Expression Research Panel and helps them find the answers. So in general, you will then get paid for surfing the web. That is what differentiates this application from all the other ones mentioned. As with this, you would have to put in a bit of work to get paid. But hey, let's be honest. All of us and all of you watching this video love to surf the web. So this will be just easy for you. Let me show you its reviews. So on the Google Play Store, they actually have a rating of 4.2 stars with over 50,000 reviews, which again proves to you how legit this application is. And that's basically it. But before we end this video, I would like to leave a helpful tip for all of you that have reached this point of the video. To greatly increase your earnings with all the applications I showed you, make sure to install all of them so you can earn in the fastest way possible. And that's it! If this video helped you a lot, we appreciate you finishing it until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you will be updated on any videos that we will be uploading. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave any comments down below. Bye!